Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the ingredient prep list for the 30-Day Quicker Dinners Blueprint. Okay, to get into the ingredient prep list, you'll be in the ingredients table and you'll go down to the view this week's prep list. Go ahead and click that view and that'll take you right into the prep list. This is broken down by ingredient to make it easier. So you've got the item that you'll need to prep. You have a checkbox so that you can check it off once you've prepped it. You have the amount that you need and the prep instructions as well as the recipe that it goes with. And you'll go ahead and check that box once you've prepped the item and it will disappear from the list. Now, if you accidentally mark it as prepped, you can go right into the master. You can search out the item that you accidentally deleted and then go under where it's checked, under prepped, and uncheck it. And it will appear back on your prep list for you to prep, and then you can check it off once you have prepped it. Additionally, you have the option to search things out instead of going up and down the list to find certain ingredients. You'll go to this little magnifying glass, you'll click that and you'll type in what you're looking for and use the arrows to navigate to it. Use the X to get out of it. For ingredients like the onions that you use in multiple recipes, we've broken those down separately for each recipe for easy labeling. Now, if you want to print your list so that you'll have paper to check off, go up to this week's prep list, choose Print View, and that will have the settings in it. You'll go ahead and press print, and it's going to take you to the screen where you make sure it looks how you want it to. You can see how it'll look once it's printed out. Press print, and it'll take you back to that screen, X out of that, and you're set. I hope this video was helpful to you. Click subscribe so that you'll be notified when more videos are added, and follow The Life Jolie on Instagram and my website, thelifejolie.com, for easy recipes.